discuss about quality factor or Q factor. Actually, in an optical resonator, there are always losses associated with any mode. The main type of loss mechanisms are the finite reflectivities of the mirrors, scattering and absorption by the cavity medium. This dissipation in energy is described in terms of quality factor, which may be defined as Q equal to omega into energy stored by energy dissipated per second, where omega is the oscillation frequency. Now, if we consider Wt is the energy stored in the mode at time t, then the energy which is gradually decaying with time due to various losses will be proportional to Wt as well as delta t. Therefore, we can write minus Wt equal to a Wt dt, where a is a proportional constant. Now, integrating, we get Wt equal to W naught e to the power minus At, where W naught is the energy at t equal to 0. If tau c is the cavity lifetime, that means at tau c omega t will be omega naught by E. That means we can write a tau c equal to 1, that is tau c equal to 1 by a. Putting the value of a in terms of tau c, we will get Wt equal to W naught e to the power minus t by tau c. We can write this is equation 1. Again, from the definition of quality factor, Q equal to omega into Wt by minus dWt by dt. Therefore, we can write minus dWt dt equal to omega into Wt by Q. From this, we will get Wt equal to W naught e to the power minus omega t by Q, which is equation 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2, we get tau c equal to Q by W. That means Q quality factor equal to twice pi nu tau c. From this equation, we can see Q is the dimensionless quantity. Again, due to uncertainty principle, the discrete energy levels of atoms between which transition take place have a finite width, that is delta E delta T equal to a squared. Therefore, delta E equal to a squared by delta T equal to a squared by tau c. From this, we will get delta omega equal to 1 by tau c. If we put the value of tau c in equation 3, then we will get then we will get Q equal to omega by delta omega, which is the expression of quality factor, that is smaller the line width, higher is the quality factor of the cavity.